In this video, I will guide you on how to delete search and viewing history on Shein. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Shein app, or you can open up any web browser and head over to Shein.com. Now make sure to log into your account. Then you want to tap on the search icon at the top of your screen. Tap on that. From here you can view all of your search history. If you want to delete this, you want to tap on this trash icon. Once you click on this, you will find these cross icons over here. You can tap on this to manually delete each one of them, or if you want to delete all of that, simply tap on the clear all option. Once you do that, as you can see, your search history has been successfully cleared. Now to delete your viewing history, you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you want to head over to the recently viewed tab. Then tap on these three dots. You will find the option of delete. Tap on that. Tap on delete again to confirm. Now do this for the rest of the viewing history as well. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.